أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum, good afternoon everyone. If you want to polish your English language skills and if you want to improve your communication skills, then you are at the right place. The session of master class is in progress. Students, they have been discussing their favorite hobby, the activity which gives them happiness and energy the most. So they have discussed their favorite hobby and activity. And now I would like to ask them about their favorite hobby, that what is your hobby and what advantages are you getting from it. So I'll approach, there are 4 groups. They have been given beautiful names as well. You will also come to know about their names. And you will also come to know about the hobbies which they have. So, Mr. Nizam Sif, first of all, tell us your group name. What is your group name?
Vibrant.
Vibrant. Okay, your group name is Vibrant. What is your hobby?
My hobby is cricket.
Cricket. So, can you tell us one benefit you get from cricket?
The benefit is fitness of my body.
Okay, it keep you fit.
Yes.
So you play cricket for fitness?
Yes, sir.
Well done. So this was group number 1. Now I am approaching the second group. Mr. Abdullah is sitting there. Abdullah,
yes, sir.
First of all, tell me the name of your group.
Sir, my group is attractive.
Attractive.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So can you tell us your hobby? What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is football.
Football. Good. And what advantages do you get from playing football?
Sir, it gives me energy, it gives me refreshment.
Okay, it makes you energetic and also makes you and also refresh you. Good. Well done. So this was the second group. Now I am approaching another group here. Mrs. Zishan is there. So Zishan, first of all, tell us your group name.
Sir, our group name is Precious.
Precious.
Yes.
MashaAllah, good name. And what about your hobby? What is your favorite hobby?
Sir, my hobby is cricket.
Cricket.
Yes.
And can you tell us one benefit you get from it?
Sir, there are a lot of benefits, but one I will say that especially bowling is good for a person who have kidney stone. I mean that football is good for the kidney stones.
Okay. You play cricket for fitness, for health. Okay, well done. Here we have the last group, the final group, the 4th group, and Mr. Ihsan is there. So Ihsan,
Yes.
first of all, tell us the name of your group.
So our group name is Snazy.
Snazy, good. And what about your hobby? What is your hobby?
So I have 2 hobbies. One is cricket and one is running.
Running. Okay, you have 2 hobbies. So what is one advantage of cricket and one advantage of running?
So both give me happiness and healthy life.
Okay, happiness and a healthy lifestyle. Okay, well done. So, students were asked about their favorite activity, their favorite hobby, which give them, and you also listen to the responses, the feedback of the students. So most of the students they perform their hobby, their favorite activity for refreshment and for fitness. So most of them they play different games. So games are important for fitness, for health, and for a happy lifestyle. And they also communicated with me. So this is how they develop their confidence. They stood up, they talked to me, they answered my questions. So this is how they improve their speaking skill. They get fluency, and they also become confident. So these activities we perform in the master class, and all those students who also want to improve their English language skills, their speaking skills, and their communication skills, so they can also join us. We have 4 classes in a week. The class started at 2:30 p.m. And we are present at Government Higher Secondary School, Khaza Khela. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Stay happy, stay blessed.